Meaning of drinking up time.
Drinking up time.
Drinking up time.
Drinking up time.
Drinking up time. Drinking up time refers to the period of time after an alcoholic drink is consumed until it is fully absorbed into the bloodstream. This can vary depending on factors such as the amount and type of alcohol consumed, body weight, and metabolism. During this time, a person may feel the effects of the alcohol more strongly as it enters their bloodstream. The duration of drinking up time varies, but on average it takes around 30 minutes to 2 hours for alcohol to be fully absorbed. It's important to drink responsibly and be aware of how much time alcohol takes to fully affect the body.